MWS is in many ways a wire Swiss Army knife. Whatever a customer could possibly want in terms of specialty and magnet wire, we can deliver.
Medical, cryo, aerospace, musical instruments, some of the largest well-known companies in the world come to MWS for their custom insulated wire.
When a customer comes to me with a special requirement, we're able to develop the manufacturing techniques and the testing procedures used to make that wire and assure it works every time.
Our quality management system is something that we're extremely proud of.
I think the Quality Lab is the heart of the whole company.
Because technology changes. And so what MWS has done is we've changed our wire products built around what customers' needs are.
You have a small order or need it fast. MWS can produce low MOQs all the way up to volume production with some of the shortest lead times in the industry.
Somebody from the outside, oh, it's just wire. We don't just set up an oven and watch it run for weeks at a time. These things are very unique to us. Every job is extremely unique.
As MWS is a distributor and manufacturer, we're able to deliver almost any wire product, even some that don't exist yet.
We have one of the largest inventories in the world, which allows our customers to get delivery within 24 to 48 hours. But if you need us to make something custom, we can do it within 4 weeks.
One thing that MWS is known for is uncompromising customer service.
Trying to always say yes and hardly ever say no is really how we built our world-class manufacturing operation.
Customers are pushing me, and then we push down, how are we going to do this? How are we going to get better? How are we going to get better? And then occasionally you get the customer who comes in and says, I need this, and you go, yeah, we've already done that. It's ready. We're already there, right? That's the win.
If you work with us, you've got the best team on your side.
And we like to make it. We love to make wire.